Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In the last class we discussed about the history part in the Mauryan Empire. Now in this class we will discuss about the big part of class 10 mathematics, trigonometry. Okay, first of all, what is trigonometry? So trigonometry is a Greek word. So trigonometry is a Greek word and it has derived into three words. Trigono and metry. So we have derived into three words, tree, gono and metry. So what is here tree? Tree means tree and gono means angle. Gono means angle and metry means, we know that metry means measurement. So tree means tree, gono means angle and metry means measurement. Okay. The measuring of three angles is called trigonometry. The measuring of three angles is called trigonometry. Now there are four quadrants in trigonometry. First of all, you draw a graph like this and point out the x-axis and here y-axis. So here x positive and here x negative, we can say as x dash. And here y positive and here y dash. So there are four quadrants. The first quadrant is all silver, tea and cups. So all silver, tea, cups. These are the four quadrants. So the names we will tell as all. So while measuring the angles, we will come quadrants as. So from all to cups, all silver, tea, cups. Like that we will come the four quadrants, not with the silver 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will come as 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So there are 6 trigonometry ratios. So now look at the 6 trigonometry ratios. First of all, we will measure the trigonometry right angle triangle like theta. So with the help of theta, we will measure the angle. So the first ratio is sin theta. Second one is cos theta. Third one is tan theta. Fourth one is cot theta. Fifth one is cosecant theta. And the last one is secant theta. So cosecant we will call, but the spelling is like this only, not cosecant. We will call it just like cosecant. So these are the 6 ratios. Now how will we measure the 6 ratios into these 4 quadrants? So like that you will keep some black marks. So we will deserve like pairs in these 6 ratios. So sin theta and cosecant theta is one pair. So you should keep like black mark. This sin theta and cosecant theta is one pair. And this cos theta and this secant theta is one pair. So you should keep like blackly you should keep. And here tan theta and cot theta is one pair. So these are the some pairs in these trigonometry ratios. So like this it is very easy to derive these 4 quadrants into these 6 ratios. Now we will look out. Now we will keep point the quadrants as Q. So with Q1, Q2, Q3 and lastly Q4. So we will keep like the symbol Q. Now we will keep these 6 ratios into these 4 quadrants. So this is all. Now this is all. So the all thetas will come positively, like sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, cosecant theta and secant theta. So this will come as all positively. So no one will be negative, all positively will come in this all. And this silver. So in this silver, you should keep another black mark as the first letter will come as S. So the first letter is S. Now here sin theta is starting with S. So we will keep this sin theta. But here secant theta will also be S, but we will not keep. So sin theta, the other partner of this sin theta in pair is cosecant theta. So we will keep these two thetas in the second quadrant. Okay, sin theta and this cosecant theta. So this will be positive in this quadrant, in silver quadrant. And here T. T means the first letter is T. So we will keep the first letter T in this quadrant. Tan theta. So tan theta starting with T. So the partner in sin theta pair is cot theta. So we will be cot theta. And the last one is cups. So the last two means cosecant, cos theta and secant theta. So we will keep cos theta and secant theta positively. Positively. So this like you should derive, you should observe and measure these four quadrants like this. You will keep. So in this all means all will come, and in silver we will measure only sin theta and cosecant theta and then another pairs. So this is some introduction of trigonometry. Okay, this is our today's class, friends. In this class we discussed about what is trigonometry, what are the four quadrants, and what are the six trigonometry ratios, and so much. So this is a big part. Trigonometry is a big lesson. So I will make some more classes, some more videos about this trigonometry. Okay, this class is completed, friends. So if you have any doubts, please put in comment section. I will answer definitely. Okay. So this is our today's class. If you like this video, press like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.